Hey everybody, this is Steve from OpenBOM. We are going to go through installing the OpenBOM Fusion beta integration from November of 2018. I received an email from support at openbom.com that had my zip file with the beta release in it. I copied that zip file to a location on my disk, and I'm going to unzip the contents. You'll see that a README file is created. You can read that for a little more information, although we're going to cover most of it here. Take note of the directory location where you unzip those files and then return to Fusion. Launch the Scripts and Add-in Manager in Fusion. You see we don't have OpenBOM here yet. We're going to click the little green arrow and then browse to the location where we just installed. Just unzip the file and click open. We see that the OpenBOM add-in is listed. We're going to select that and click Run. Okay. We'll see now that the OpenBOM beta add-in is activated. If you were already signed in, you will not need to sign in. If not, you'll be greeted with the sign-in window here. And I'll cover the behavior and how to use in the next video.